So hi everyone, let's read this question. An object of height 5 centimeter is placed perpendicular to the principal axis of, of focal length 10 centimeter. If the distance between the object distance and the optical center is 20 centimeter, calculate the position of the image, nature and size. That's only okay using lens formula. Even they will not mention lens formula. I will use lens formula. Okay. Sometimes like they are saying everything like this is board question. Okay. In board question, every data they will give you. So draw the concave lens like this. If you want to draw the principal axis optical center, you can draw like this. Clear? Now they have mentioned that where is our object? Focal length is 10, मतलब minus 10. Distance of object from the optical center. Object is here. How much this? 20. Determine the position, nature, and everything we will take care. First of all, find the V. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. Clear? F is negative. Minus 1 upon like this. V. U is minus 20. So 1 upon V comes out to be minus 1 by 10 minus 1 by 20. To solve this, you will get the value of V comes out to be 20 into 10 negative divided by 20 plus 10 30. So minus 20 by 3 centimeter. V comes out to be negative, it means it is correct. Now calculate magnification. Magnification is V by U. So V is minus 20 by 3. U is minus 20. So you can check magnification comes out to be 1 by 3, which is less than 1. So in case of concave lens, you will get the image size always less than the object size. Always. Okay. It's a diverging lens. So M is equal to 1 by 3. They are asking like height of image also. And height of object is given hi by ho. It is 1 by 3. And I think ho is given object of height 5. J comes out to be 5 by 3. Clear? So we got hi, we got ho, we got v, we got u. So everything we got. Anything else? Nature. Now nature already. See, M is positive. Positive means like it is first of all virtual. Okay. Erect. Virtual, erect, and diminish. Diminished. You can check 5 by 3 is less than 5. So diminish. Virtual, why virtual? Because it is formed in front of the lens. And erect, like just like object is straight, image is also straight. Yeah. So thank you so much. Still you have doubt, you can ask me anytime. Okay. Any point like in the video lecture, if you are not able to understand, you can comment me. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you.